Hi, it's Zach here to bring you today's deal on the 3-in-1 LED Roadside Flare Kit. Each kit comes with 2 of these LED flares and they are awesome. Instead of traditional flares which use high velocity flames which can be pretty dangerous, these actually use powerful LED lights to the same effect. Now when you first turn these flares on, you'll notice that it has a flashing red light, which is great for when you're broken down on the side of the road and you want to alert other drivers to your presence. Now if you hit the button one more time, you'll go to a constant red light, and if you hit it once more, you actually have a regular LED flashlight, which is perfect to have in your cars for emergencies as well. Now each one of these flares comes with a stand, and the base of each of the flares is magnetic. That's how it fits inside of the stand, and you can also use it to affix it to the side of your car if you'd rather do that. The other cool thing about these is that they come with this awesome hard case which you can keep them in and store them inside of your trunk so you can easily find them and keep them nice and safe. Now you'll notice on the handle of these flares these orange strips. These are actually rubberized, making the flares quite durable, and in between each of those you actually have reflective panels. Again, great for emergency nighttime situations. Now the one thing to note about these is compared to normal roadside flares is that obviously they take batteries. Each one takes 3 AAA batteries, and if you have them in your car for a long time without use, you might want to check them to make sure that they're still powering on and swap out the batteries if need be. We have a fantastic deal on this kit, so head on over to the site and grab yours today.